Hey guys, it's Chag here, another episode of the Powernail Minute, and we're at episode number 6. It's a beautiful day here in Boston, October day. Also happens to be the opening day for the Bruins, so that's kind of exciting, at least for me. And anyways, today we're going to talk about the 445 roller machine, power roller machine. And you may remember episode number 2, I think it was 2, we talked about the 445 with the standard foot, which is what you see here. Has the pad underneath. You can do, if you remember, we can do 3/4 and 5/8 domestic solids with this, with our 16 gauge cleats, black box with the black gun. And so that's the 445 standard one. But what I wanted to show you was, if you own this gun, you can actually get a roller set up so that you'd be able to roll with this gun. 4 bolts underneath. You take off this foot right here, and the same 4 bolts would install this. So you'd be able to roll with it for less than the cost of buying the whole gun. So that's that one. I apologize, I'm talking over some of the mowers that are outside right now. As I said, it was very nice here, so folks are getting their mowing done. Here's our 445 roller, power roller machine all set up. You can kind of see what we have underneath is the 4 larger wheels that ride along the top edge of the wood. The smaller wheels here ride along the front edge just above the tongue. So you want to adjust it similar to the 50p flex adjustability. These 2 screws would give you the Allen wrench there. Loosen those up a little bit, and then it allows the this lever to go back and forth. You can move that up and down just where you want it. So you just want these little ones to ride above the tongue. Also, interesting to note, these little rollers here are kind of consumables, okay? Guys are beating on this thing with a mallet all the time, right? So you got to believe that these rollers here wear down after a while, and you're going to have to replace them. It's a low-cost item and easily switched out. So just FYI. As far as how you do it, we're already set up here for 3/4. One thing to note is the machine works better when you go left to right, okay? The wheels are angled just a little bit so that when I go left to right, it's actually pulling it into the floor. As opposed to going the other way, you may find that it's walking away from the floor. Now you can still use it going the other way, you just have to remember to pull it in just a little bit as you go, okay? So it can go both ways on that, but definitely works better going left to right, which I believe is what most installers do, is go left to right. So that's our 445 power roller. There are 2 other machines that we can get with rollers. The 445 is the one, 445 stapler, which is our yellow version of this gun, shoots staples. You can also get that with the roller. Or the 50p, the red gun, has its own roller as well, so you can get that with that version of the rollers. One last piece of advice before I let you guys go, and that is always a good idea to test it on a small piece of flooring so that you can see that you're getting the desired results. Nobody wants to install an entire floor and then realize that, oh, we had a little issue here, something doesn't look right. Great advice to test it before you go. And thanks very much. Go Bees. See ya.